Vanessa's in the bathroom straightening her hair right now. And she doesn't know I'm gonna come like just sneak attack her and scare the crap out of her. So let's just do it. Let's just leave them. That, my friend, is the beauty. Vanessa, open the door! Come on, open the door! My sister, she's a little weird. Vanessa, open the door! Open the door! That's what my brother's doing. He's playing Xbox.
And then Kevin, like an asshole, just
And
stood there. I was like, Kevin!
He's a little camera shy. Yeah. So, we have to like... We're going to have to see what Vanessa's doing. Let's see. Okay. I'm really scared right now. Okay, so we're going to do, we're going to knock down the door. Ready? What? See, she's in the bathroom. Straightening her hair. No, I'm not. Alright, maybe I am. She doesn't like when I kick her because she comes at me like a crazy pinata thing.
Kick me and I will fucking backslam you.